In this task, the candidate will install a spring can, properly remove the blocks, and adjust the spring can to the cold set position. After initial evaluation, the candidate will demonstrate how to adjust the spring can to the hot set position and then properly remove the spring can. The candidate uses the provided tools and equipment to properly hang a spring can support. Once the spring can is in place, the candidate properly places the support rod from the spring can to the pipe. The support rod needs to be vertically plumb to within plus or minus 1/16 of an inch. When the spring can and support are in place, the candidate puts tension on the support and prepares for block removal. The candidate removes the band covering the blocks, taking care that the band doesn't snap and hit anyone. The candidate adjusts the tension on the spring can and removes the blocks. The blocks should be set aside for future use. The candidate sets the spring can to the cold setting. The evaluator may need to use a straight edge to confirm the cold setting. The candidate is asked to turn away while the evaluator adjusts the setting and tension. The evaluator will adjust the setting and tension slightly. The candidate is instructed to adjust the setting to the hot setting. A straight edge can be used to ensure the correct setting. The evaluator may need to use a straight edge to confirm the hot setting. The candidate prepares to remove the spring can. The candidate adjusts the tension and sets the spring can to the cold setting so the blocks can be reinserted. After the blocks are reinserted, a band is used to secure the blocks in the spring can. Doing this enables the reuse of the spring can. Once the blocks are secured, adjust the tension on the hanger. Then the candidate can remove the support from the spring can. After the support is removed, the spring can is removed.